Hello students, today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is under root 2 is an irrational number. So let me start. Prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. It is very important question. Now we will do it by contradiction method. So firstly, let under root 2 is a rational number, but at the end we will prove our supposition is wrong. So rational number, we know the definition of rational number is under root 2 is a over b. A, b are co-prime integers and b is not equal to 0. So student, definitely you will ask me the question about what are co-primes. If numbers whose HCF is equal to 1, for example 8 and 9, the both number may be prime, may not be prime, but what is the HCF? HCF is only 1. Okay, so we'll say HCF is 1. Okay, so now let me do it again. Squaring both sides. So if you do the square, a square b square, 2 is equal to a square and b square. We can take it like a square. This implies 2 divides a square and 2 divides a also. So firstly, I will do this step. I will give the reason of this step. We know that, for example, these are the just examples only. Okay, for example 6 is a product of two numbers, so both number will divide 6. So I need only 2 divides a square. Okay, so 2 divide 6. Okay, now let me do these two step also. If 2 divides 10 square, it implies, just see it beta, 2 divides 10 also. Is it okay beta? Clear these two lines. This is called equation number 1. This is called equation number 2. If 2 divides a also, it means a is divided by 2. Answer will be any number. When if any number divides a number, when you divide it with 2, so definitely you will get an answer, and answer is always integer. Okay, so a will become 2c. It will become 2c. Squaring both sides. A square is equal to 4c square. So this is third one. From 1 and 3, what do you get? 2b square is equal to 4c square. B square is equal to 2c. Is it okay beta? Now b is again a product of two numbers, two factors, so it means we can write 2 divides b square. We have already done beta, I have given the example also. See this, 2 divides b also. So understood? So reason I have already given. So now it is called 4. See equation number 2. 2 divides a. See equation number 4. 2 divides b. What is the meaning of this? It means 2 divides a and b, which is impossible. Why? Because a and b are co-prime. A and b are co-prime. If a and b are co-prime, it means only one is a common factor of a and b. So which is contradiction? Which is contradiction? Because 2 can never be a common factor of a and b. So our supposition is wrong. This implies under root 2 is an irrational number. So it is a irrational number. So thank you students. We have completed this topic. Thank you.